In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Muslim Pro. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, the process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure your device is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, since you'll need a connection to access the App Store and complete the download. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official App Store for Android, and it's where you can safely search for and install apps. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in Muslim Pro. As you search, you may see suggestions appear below the search bar. You can tap the correct result from the list or simply finish typing and press search on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of matching apps. From the search results, look for the app called Muslim Pro, Quran Athan Prayer. Be sure to select the correct app title so you download the one you're looking for. Tapping on the app will open its information page, where you can view details like ratings, screenshots, and a short description. This can be helpful if you want to quickly confirm that you found the right app before installing it. Once you're on the app page, tap Install. At this point, your Android device will begin downloading the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds, or it could take a little longer. During this time, just wait for the download and installation to finish. You'll usually see a progress indicator on the screen, so you can track how far along it is. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find it later from your home screen or app drawer if you prefer to open it another time. When the app opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your existing details. If you're new to the app, choose the option to create an account and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Muslim Pro on Android and opened it for the first time.